Welcome to Toy Noddle TV. Let's play and learn together. Sea otter lives in cold coastal waters, especially near kelp forests where it finds shelter and food. Sea otter uses rocks as tools, cracking open clams and crabs on its belly like a tiny table. Sea otter has the thickest fur of any animal, keeping it warm even in freezing oceans. Salamander lives in damp forests, near streams, ponds, and under rocks. Salamander is an amphibian that looks like a small lizard, but has smooth skin. Salamander breathes through its skin and lungs, so it needs moist places to survive. Baby shark lives in warm, shallow waters, where it can safely grow and learn to hunt. Baby shark uses its small but sharp teeth to nibble on fish and tiny sea creatures. Baby shark has smooth skin that helps it glide quickly through the water. Clownfish lives in warm oceans, swimming safely among sea anemones. Clownfish has bright orange and white stripes that make it easy to spot. Clownfish is protected by anemones, which sting other fish but not it. Clownfish swims in small groups and stays close to its anemone home. Frog lives near ponds and rivers and stays moist with its smooth, wet skin. Frog jumps far with its strong back legs to escape predators quickly. Frog starts life as a tadpole, growing legs and lungs as it becomes an adult. Jellyfish lives in oceans all around the world, drifting with the waves because it has no brain or bones. Jellyfish uses its long, wiggly tentacles to catch tiny fish and plankton as it floats by. Stingray hides under sand, using its flat body to stay safe from predators. Stingray flaps its wide fins like wings to swim smoothly through the water. Stingray uses its long tail for protection, but only stings when it feels scared. Tortoise lives on land and loves dry, warm places like deserts and grasslands. Tortoise walks very slowly but can live for a super long time. Tortoise eats plants, leaves, flowers, and fruits to stay healthy and strong. Tortoise hides inside its shell when it feels scared or sleepy. Tropical reef fish glide through coral caves, staying safe in their bright underwater homes. Tropical reef fish use their bold colors and patterns to hide, warn predators, or attract friends. Tropical reef fish nibble on algae, tiny shrimp, and coral bits to keep the reef healthy. Humpback whale swims through cold and warm seas, migrating long distances each year. Humpback whale leaps out of the water in big splashes called breaches. Humpback whale eats tiny krill by gulping huge mouthfuls of water and filtering it out. Shark swims fast, using its strong tail to chase fish and explore the deep sea. Shark has rows of sharp teeth that keep growing back when they fall out. Shark uses its amazing sense of smell to find food from far away. Colorful fish live in tropical coral reefs, where they dart between corals, rocks, and sea plants. Colorful fish come in amazing patterns, stripes, dots, neon colors, and even glowing scales. Colorful fish use their bright colors to hide, scare predators, or talk to other fish. Crab walks sideways on the sand using its many quick legs. Crab uses its claws to grab food, crack shells, and protect itself. Crab hides under rocks or burrows in sand to stay safe from predators. Crab can regrow a lost claw or leg, making it a real survivor. Baby crab lives near the shore, hiding under rocks and sand. Baby crab is very small and scurries quickly to stay safe. Baby crab uses tiny claws to pick up food and protect itself. Baby crab grows bigger over time by shedding its old shell. Sawfish lives in shallow coastal waters and river mouths, gliding quietly along sandy bottoms. Sawfish uses its saw-shaped nose to swipe through schools of fish and find food hidden in the sand. Sawfish can grow very big. Some are longer than a car, but they are gentle and not dangerous to people. Goose lives near lakes, ponds, and grassy fields, staying close to its flock for safety. Goose has strong wings and can fly very far during migration, forming a perfect V shape in the sky. Goose uses its long neck to nibble on grass, plants, and grains while keeping an eye out for danger. Crocodile lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps, spending lots of time hiding in the water with only its eyes showing. Crocodile uses its mighty jaws to snap up fish, birds, and other animals when they get too close. Crocodile has thick, armor-like skin that protects it and helps it stay safe from danger. Axolotl lives in cool lakes in Mexico, hiding among plants and rocks underwater. Axolotl can regrow lost body parts, legs, tail, and even parts of its heart and brain. axolotl keeps its pink feathery gills on the outside of its head, helping it breathe underwater. Dolphin lives in warm and cool seas, traveling in friendly groups called pods. Dolphin uses clicks and whistles to talk to other dolphins underwater. Dolphin jumps high out of the water to play, hunt, or move faster. Tiger shark lives in warm oceans and cruises near coasts and reefs. Tiger shark has dark stripes like a tiger when it is young. Tiger shark eats fish, turtles, and many other sea animals. Tiger shark swims mostly at night, using its strong senses to hunt. Blue shark lives in deep oceans and swims long distances. Blue shark has a slim body and bright blue color on its back. Blue shark swims smoothly using its long fins and tail. Blue shark eats fish and squid to stay strong. Blue shark often travels alone or in small groups. Penguin lives in cold places like Antarctica and stays warm with thick feathers. Penguin slides on its belly across the ice to move fast and have fun. Penguin uses its wings like flippers to swim and catch fish underwater. Lobster crawls along the sea floor, hiding in rocky cracks and tunnels. Lobster uses its strong claws to grab food like fish, clams, and crabs. Lobster sheds its old shell and grows a new one when it gets too small. Orca swims in cold and warm oceans, staying together in family groups called pods. Orca uses teamwork to hunt fish, seals, and even large whales. Orca communicates with clicks and whistles, each pod having its own language. Whale shark swims in warm oceans and has white spots all over its huge body. Whale shark eats tiny plankton by opening its giant mouth and filtering the water. Whale shark moves slowly and calmly, making it safe for divers to swim near. Blowfish lives in warm oceans, swimming near coral reefs and sandy areas. Blowfish fills its body with water to puff up and scare predators away. Blowfish has sharp spines that stick out when it becomes round. Blowfish swims slowly but stays safe using its clever puffing trick. Ringed octopus lives in shallow waters and hides under rocks and shells. Ringed octopus flashes its blue rings as a warning to predators to stay away. Ringed octopus hunts tiny crabs and shrimp using quick pounces. Pink dolphin lives in Amazon rivers, swimming through muddy waters and flooded forests. Pink dolphin uses echolocation to find fish and navigate dark river water. Baby frog lives in ponds and streams, swimming around as a tiny tadpole. Baby frog uses its tiny tail to wiggle through the water. Baby frog slowly grows legs and turns into a jumping frog. Baby frog makes soft little sounds as it starts learning to croak.